Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to set your iPhone to automatically offload or remove an unused app to declutter and save space. Offloading is a feature that was added back in iOS 11 and when enabled, allows your iOS device to automatically remove an app that you don't use very often. The nice thing about this is though, when it offloads, it doesn't remove any data. So, say you want to use the app again in the future, when you try to open it, it will first re-download itself, and once done, it'll open like you left off. Also, I've seen people asking if you have to repurchase the app again, and no you wouldn't, it acts like it was never deleted. I'll show you what an app looks like when it's been offloaded. If you look here, you'll see a cloud with a down arrow next to the name. That means the app is no longer on my iPhone. But if I tap it, it'll automatically download, and when it's finished, it'll open like normal. To turn this feature on or off, first open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose App Store. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Offload Unused Apps. This used to be found in the general iPhone storage menu, but Apple has moved it here. To enable the offload feature, just make sure the slider to the right is turned on. And to disable the option, just slide it off. I haven't been able to find a time frame on when your device will offload an app, but it seems that it just balances it out on how often you've used the app and maybe the space that it uses. I've read that some people notice apps offloading in as short as a couple days, and others a lot longer. And that's how you enable or disable the Offload Unused App feature on an iOS device. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.